So you can see they're bringing out the big guns here. This is an excavator. Now that they've crumbled all this stuff down to the ground, this thing can actually just kind of do more liberal damage in there. And he's just trying to claw away all the stuff and haul it back. Behind the building there are some dump trucks, so they're like trying to load all this stuff up in there. And there's actually a hose, they're spraying water on it. I'm not sure what the significance of that is, but maybe it's reduce the amount of dust or something. But yeah, it's just tearing away at all this. And there's still that the hydraulic hammer guy's up on the floor above him, so he's just hanging out there and might have to do some more work. But meanwhile, there's this huge excavator just, you know, tearing away at all this stuff. I think he's just trying to bash, maybe break it even some more. The amount of weight he's got behind him, he can do a lot more damage. Oh, now he's trying to pick up one of these beams. There he goes, trying to pick it up. Oh, he's moving it, I see. Picking it up that way.